Your time here during your fellowship is really dedicated for you. That's why we want to have flexibility so we can achieve whatever goal is that you set out at the beginning to make sure that you've accomplished that by the end of the program.
Our regional fellowship is a long-standing fellowship, originally started by some of the giants in regional anesthesia, and we carry that torch forward today. We have a very collaborative environment. The strengths of the program are the volume of procedures that you can get involved with and the variety of procedures. We have many educators that are very interested in helping our fellows become the best regional practitioners that they can be, with a lens on patient safety, quality, and as always with Mayo, the needs of the patient come first.
When fellows come into the program, they really have access to all that Mayo offers, not just the complexity of patients, but they also get very specific, tailored regional anesthesia experience. Their consultants that they work with every day know who they are. They know what their goals are for their career. A lot of what we do functions around educating those fellows. There's an opportunity to see anesthesia practice and regional anesthesia and pain management in a lot of different venues. There's an ambulatory setting, inpatient setting, chronic pain, palliative care. Our cardiothoracic is very, very active.
The program basically took me to kind of like another level in terms of skills and knowledge.
When should we do a nerve block based upon anticoagulants or antiplatelets, and when should we not? And the people who wrote those papers are here. And that is, in practice, probably one of the most referenced papers in anesthesia. And really just knowing all of those guidelines cold is really important to me.
One of the main strengths of the regional anesthesia program here at the Mayo Clinic is the clinical experience. The amount of surgeries allow us to both cover rooms doing blocks and procedures by ourselves, but also allow us and give us the opportunities to supervise residents to do them. The complexity of our patients, the different type of procedures that we do every day, allow us to have a different clinical exposure, and I think that is what it makes the difference from the other regional anesthesia programs.
One thing that's really unique about our program is our core curriculum. So we have two main core curriculum pieces that are featured within our program. One is point-of-care ultrasound, and the other is our clinical anatomy cadaver lab-based course. So I want to first just take a moment to really talk about our point-of-care ultrasound curriculum, because this is novel and based in one of our simulation centers where we have a world-class simulator that you can walk through all four facets of the POCUS curriculum, including lung ultrasound, cardiac ultrasound, fast exams, and of course gastric ultrasound. This really takes out a lot of the stress and worry. And because we can simulate all kinds of different pathology, that way when you're seeing it on a patient for the first time, you know exactly what it is that your eye is looking for, and you can make a clear diagnosis very efficiently. The other thing that you can expect is that when you graduate from our program, you will have your ASA Diagnostic POCUS certificate. Our program sponsors that. Make sure that you have expert mentors readily available to you to get you that clinical expertise that you need to graduate feeling confident.
I love the practice of anesthesiology, and in particular regional anesthesiology. It inspires me every day to think about what strategies can help people most, but really it's about how do I inspire that next regional anesthesiologist to find that career path that's going to inspire them. Within ASRA Pain Medicine, we encourage our residents and fellows to become members of the specific section that helps them get early career advice. We think mentorship is key for a fellow's success, especially considering we're a one-year program, and we want to make sure that we tailor that to the interests of our fellow. The ability to find mentors across disciplines is unmatched.
Our anatomy lab is phenomenal, and one of my favorite things about it is that it's co-directed with one of our clinical anatomists, Dr. Cattell.
Clinical anatomy provides fellows in the regional anesthesia fellowship with the ability to bring what they see in practice into the lab space. So if they have questions in patient care, it's something that we can translate to the anatomy lab environment. Every patient is different from the last patient and from the next patient. So the ability to work with fresh tissue is unique because it provides a degree of realism that you lose with embalmed tissue. It's an ability to manipulate fascial planes. We'll have our learners come in, use ultrasound to inject just like they do in clinical practice. And then in the second phase, we'll dissect it, we'll open it up right away, and I can see with my very own eyes, what that spread looks like. And that's, for me, that's feedback right there. And this is a safe space for us to learn.
And so we really try to make our experience very clinically applicable. So by the time you leave, you have a very good sense of when you put a needle in a patient, what is going to happen.
I'm having not only an excellent clinical experience, but I'm also having opportunities in research, which has been really nice for me. I've been other places, but haven't had the resources to experience research in the same way that I have here. It just feels really good to be embraced and for people to sit down and make the time for you to be successful at what your professional interests are.
We were able to participate in different journal clubs with other specialties like cardiac anesthesia, colorectal surgery, orthopedic surgery. These type of collaborations really enrich the experience for us.
We also have many different resources to take care of your family when you're here, because if you move to Rochester, we want you to know that you are well taken care of.
I partner with the program director to oversee the administrative aspects of the program. I joke sometimes I'm their mom. I make sure that they're where they're supposed to be every day and they have all the resources that they need, taking some of the burden off of the fellows so that they can focus on getting the most out of what they want, and then I'm the behind the scenes making sure that all that can happen.
Here, from the staff, the consultants, the nurses, the administrative assistants, everyone is here to support you. That makes me feel that I can do the best work for my patients.
The reputation and the training that you get here is exceptional and, of course, world class.